This scheme was approved by the Union Cabinet in April of 2025, and we opened up the scheme for applications. And today we just wanted to inform that the total applications received and the total investment that has been committed, the total investment which has been proposed under the scheme is almost twice what had originally been targeted. Today's event was basically to announce the response in terms of applications for the electronic component manufacturing scheme. This scheme was approved by the Union Cabinet in April of 2025, and we opened up the scheme for applications. And the last date for receipt of applications under the scheme was 30th of September. And today we just wanted to inform that the total applications received and the total investment that has been committed under the scheme. We wanted to inform the media about the status on that. What we have found is that the total investment which has been proposed under the scheme is almost twice what had originally been targeted. We had targeted a little above 59,000 crores as the overall investment, and the overall final investment is coming to about 118,000 crore. Likewise, we had targeted the overall production base at about 212,000 crore, and the final number of the overall production, additional production, is coming to in excess of 450,000 crore. So in a number of ways, the scheme has, the response to the scheme has been massive, and the interest amongst various industries has been tremendous. And this reflects the confidence that they have in government's policies and policy stability and the ability to implement schemes of this nature. It also reflects the confidence that investors have, both domestic investors and foreign investors, on India's growth story and the ability to continue to invest, particularly in the electronics manufacturing sector.
Okay. So are you facing any challenge in that regard?
No, the challenge in the industry is always there. I mean, we have to be globally competitive, and which basically means that we have to get everything right. We have to get the policy right. We have to get the ecosystem right, and that is only when manufacturing will really take off. So to that extent, of course, there are challenges, but we have to overcome those challenges. And the fact that investors are willing to commit investments on this scale reflects that they are very confident that the challenges can be overcome, and India is a good location to actually manufacture.
Okay. Sir, can you talk about the rare earth minerals?
And that is something that you would have to basically talk to the Mines Ministry, because on the supply of rare earth minerals, they are the competent ministry. As far as the requirement in the electronic sector is concerned, most companies that we speak to have told us that their supply of rare earth minerals are assured.
Okay, so we are well supplied in terms
They
of...
say that their supply chains are diversified and secure.
Okay, all right. So what's the update on semiconductors after the Semicon event?
No, there again in the semiconductor space, the story is very positive. As is well known, we've cleared 10 schemes of investment, and then a further 3, so the totally 13 schemes which have been cleared for investment. Almost the entire investable resources, that is what has been committed under the Semicon scheme, 76,000 crore has got committed now. Almost the entire amount is committed, which means that, as the Honorable Prime Minister announced during Semicon, we are working on the next phase of the Semicon scheme, and the process of interministerial consultation is on, and we will get the relevant approvals and launch the new scheme.
Are we getting support from our global partners? From the global forces, like, some countries are willing that they will provide support to India in their semiconductor mission.
We are getting, the support is there. India is part of various global arrangements. We have good MOUs. We have an agreement called Trust with the United States. We have a TSI agreement with the UK. We have a semiconductor MOU with the EU and also a semiconductor MOU with Japan. So our global partners are with us in our quest to manufacture semiconductors in India.